Have you seen what they've been saying about me online? I thought all I had to do was be green. That's it. Perfect. I can even twinkle a bit if that helps. But this jazzy stuff they want, it's making me nervous. Let me just check the other lights are ready first. Town hall lights. Ready? Perfect. Fireworks. Are you... Whoa! Fireworks. Just the thumbs up will do. Don't press fire yet. Great stuff. Music? You set? Oh, hold up. That's not it. Christmas party for the council was last week. You got a few seconds. Let's find something Christmassy. Okay. Are we ready then? Melksham, are you ready? Let's do this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. What do you say to that, Melksham? Wow, that's unbelievable. Are you ready for some more sweets?